Welcome to our 5 Minutes Trend Craft channel. If you enjoy getting creative and love seeing the end result of a good craft project, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and inspiring videos.